Good morning, students. So we are here after a long time vacation. Now let's get back to our studies. I assure you that you would be able to explore novel horizons of learning experiences. So let's start with the first lesson, Monkey Trouble, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He is one of the best loved storytellers of India. He is very much popular for children's literature. As we got acquainted with the author, let's move to the story. The name of the story is Monkey Trouble. It is a story about a family that deals with a troublesome monkey who had been adopted by the head of the family. The story is told by a young boy who is a narrator. I know most of you have pets at home. You might be having dogs, cows, parrots, lovebirds, etc. This story is about a family that deals with a troublesome, mischievous monkey who has been adopted by the head of the family. The story is told by Ruskin Bond. He recalls the story when he was a young boy. His grandfather bought Tutu, a female little monkey, from a street entertainer for 10 rupees. Who is a street entertainer? Street entertainer is a person who goes around the streets singing, playing with instrument, or making monkeys dance for money. So the narrator's grandfather bought Tutu from a street entertainer. So when the grandfather saw the monkey, it was tied to a chain and it had a collar. Grandfather was very much moved by this. So he felt pity towards the monkey and he decided to bring Tutu home. Grandmother refused to keep the monkey Tutu at home because there are already pets like goat, several white mice and a tortoise. Grandmother was also fed up with the mischievous nature of the young boy, the grandchild. To this, the grandfather replied, Tutu is a little female monkey. Grandmother always wanted to have a girl in the house because she believed girls are less mischievous than the boys. Ultimately, she gave in the request of the grandfather. She decided to keep Tutu as pet. Gave in means accepted something she doesn't agree to first. Next, the narrator gives a vivid description of Tutu. She was a pretty little monkey. Her eyes sparkled with mischief. She had a wide grin, showing her pearly white teeth. And our narrator, the young boy, he was very mischievous. The very first thing he taught Tutu was to shake hands. Tutu would do this or insisted on doing this to whoever visited the house. Major Malik, when he enters the house, he would have to shake hands with Tutu. Tutu would climb onto the shoulder of Uncle Malik or Major Malik and would start her pranks. She would play with the hair and mustache of Major Malik. Her tail would act as a third hand and it looked so beautiful. Grandfather would say a tail would add to anyone's good looks.